Car crashes are a very scary experience, but even more so if a child's involved. Attorney David Green from Green & Phillips Personal Injury Attorneys is here to let us know the best way to take care of minors when they're involved in an accident. David, what is the first thing someone should do for a minor when they're involved in a car accident?
Well, it's very important to make sure that you seek medical treatment for the child. That is extremely important. If you're ever going to have a case, you need to make sure that that child is certainly okay, but seeking medical treatment is going to build damages that you may have. But at some point, you're going to be in front of a judge asking the court to approve a settlement. I've got several of those set this month even, and you need to be able to present to the judge that everything has been done for the child that's in their best interest.
Right. Now, what if it's an infant or a toddler? Now, communication is limited. How should someone go about making sure they're taken care of?
It's a great question also. Take your child to your pediatrician. Your pediatrician knows you, they know your child, and you can have a discussion with them, and they can actually do some things to check them out. If they need to do x-rays, they can certainly get them to the hospital, but go ahead and try to get your child to your pediatrician if, of course, it's not a trauma situation.
Right.
If it's trauma, they need to go to the ER, but make sure that you get them to your pediatrician and have that discussion.
Of course. Now, what if someone is not the legal guardian of the child in the car accident?
Well, that's important. You need to make sure, though, that you call 911, the authorities come out, they will treat the child, but then the custodial parent will then take the steps further from that.
So how is a minor's case different from an adult?
It's completely different. As a matter of fact, a minor has until the age of majority in Alabama, which is 19 plus 2 years, to even make a claim or file suit. So you may have a case out there, a child has been hurt several years ago as a minor, they're not of the age of majority and you've done nothing, you still may have a case for your child. That is a big problem because folks a lot of times think that my child was injured, I've forgotten about it, I'm sure I've missed the statute. You may not have missed the statute, so you need to call a personal injury lawyer and talk to them about your rights for your child.
Now, if someone wants to call you and get more information about this topic, how can they do so?
It's very simply 300-2000 or come by 51 North Florida Street. You never need an appointment at Green & Phillips.
David, thank you.
Thanks for inviting me over.